me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with my top 3 primers for dry, mature skin. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. When I turned 50, I don't know, I started using primers. I didn't used to use primers because I felt like my skin really didn't need it. As I've gotten older, my skin looks better with primer. What I did was I applied primer to one half side of my face and the half without, and just applied my makeup as regular, and I saw a big difference with the primer side. The primer side looked more smoother, it looked more natural. It looks like the makeup itself just gripped onto my skin. I don't know, it just looked different. It looked so much better and it lasted longer throughout the day. That is what I like the most, especially if you're going somewhere, you're taking pictures and you're going to be out and you really want your makeup to look flawless. A primer is what to use. Now, I use primer on other people, my clients now. I just didn't use primer on myself. So what I realized is that I needed to find primers that was specifically for dry skin. So that's what I did. And or you know, primers that are hydrating, something to that point that I could use for dry skin. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and jump into it, because you know I can ramble. First primer on the list, I found this primer on Amazon and I've been using it ever since. I love this primer, and it is by Dermablend. It is the Dermablend Instant Grip Jelly Primer, 3-in-1 multitasking primer. Okay, so here it is right here. It is lightweight, it's clear jelly primer makeup, absorbs and smooth canvas under foundation and conceal. It's cruelty-free, silicone-free face primer for dry skin, pore minimizing with 24-hour wear. It's $31. I think it's on sale right now for $31, but it's worth it. It lasts long. All you need is a little tiny bit. Let me see what it says on the back. It says, powerful jelly primer with up to 24-hour staying power. This slip-free primer acts as a 3-in-1 makeup gripping primer, instant moisturizer, and tightening mask. So yeah, I love this primer. This is one of my favorite primers for dry skin. It makes my skin look smooth. It goes on smooth without you feeling like, you know, it doesn't dry your skin out, and that is what I love about this. This is one of my favorite top 3 primers. The next primer that I want to bring to you is by Milk Makeup, and it is the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick right here. This is it says, an oil-free, silicone-free, luminous matte primer that glides on for a glowy, shine-free finish. Luminous take on Milk Makeup's best-selling silicone-free blur stick matte primer, blurs the look of pores and fine lines while imparting a shimmer matte finish. Powder-filled, blurring, microscopic, absorb oils to matty skin. The creamy formula goes on translucent to create golden pearl infused glow on all skin tones to help makeup look better and wear longer. So yeah, this one is a really nice luminous, if you need a luminous look, and it doesn't dry my skin out. Even though it says that it's matte, it doesn't feel matte on my skin, and that is what I love. They also have the regular one that's not luminous. I just had it in a sample, but I like the luminous for my dry skin. But they just have the regular matte primer, just like this, the big size, but you know. So if you do not want the luminous one, you can always opt for the regular. Blur stick is $36. Okay, so this next primer is by LYS, and it is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer with 5% niacinamide. Oh my goodness, and this is one of my favorite primers as well. Let me just read you a little bit of what it actually says. It says, this lightweight serum primer that helps balance the look of skin and control the appearance of excess shine throughout the day. Infused with niacinamide, ginger root, lemon, and grapefruit extract, this primer works to minimize the look of large pores and brighten the appearance of hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Oh my goodness. So yes, anytime you have niacinamide, it always helps with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and things like that. It's always great when you have some extra great ingredients in products. I love that. This primer runs $20, and let me just tell you what it says here. It's vegan, good for dark spots, good for dullness and uneven skin textures, good for pores, good for acne and blemishes, and it's black owned at Sephora. So that's always awesome. Let's see, and it does say for normal combination oily. However, with this serum, and I've used this on my dry skin, and I love it. It doesn't make my skin feel tight. It feels actually like I am applying a serum to my skin, and I love that. I like the way it looks on my skin. I have it on now. I like the way it looks on my skin. It doesn't feel tight on my skin. It's very lightweight, but yet makes my makeup look flawless, and I love the way my skin looks and feel when I apply my foundation or my tinted moisturizers. You can also use that with like light type of makeup as well, and I love this. So let me show you how this one looks. Niacinamide reduces the appearance of pores and addresses excess shine. It is AHH fruit blend, visibly smooths and even skin textures, and the grapefruit extract, which is rich in vitamin C. It brightens the look of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And you guys already know what I love vitamin C. It does help brighten the skin. I love products that have skincare in it as well. Just continue to use your regular skincare. If you use niacinamide, that is fine. This just has an extra benefit for niacinamide if you did not wear it, but continue with your regular skincare routine as normal. Alright, so that is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful and interesting. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on the way out if you haven't done so already, and thank you so much for just taking time out to watch my videos. Peace and love until next time. Bye.